They're full of potential, but there's a threat that can ruin all of that for your clients. It goes by many names: shipping fever, bronchial pneumonia, fibrinous pleuropneumonia, or just plain pneumonia. Whatever they call it, you know the real problem: bovine respiratory disease. BRD is caused when stress, viruses, or environmental factors compromise the animal's immune system, allowing opportunistic bacteria present in the upper respiratory tract to migrate down the trachea and into the epithelial lining of the lungs. There, the bacteria and the animal's own immune response cause irritation, endotoxin excretion, mucus production, and inflammation, damaging the lungs. As the lungs become compromised, the signs of BRD develop quickly, including fever, depression, lowered head, lethargy, inappetence, nasal discharge, diarrhea, shallow breathing, and coughing. By the time signs appear, much of the damage has already been done. Even cattle that recover will never be quite as productive as they could have been. When stress can't be prevented, ZACTRAN can help control the risk and help clients' cattle reach their potential. The active ingredient in ZACTRAN, gamithromycin, is rapidly absorbed, extensively distributed in the lung tissues, and persists at high levels for an extended period. This is due to the novel structure of gamithromycin. After injection, ZACTRAN is rapidly and completely absorbed. ZACTRAN moves quickly into and back out of blood plasma, exhibiting low plasma protein binding, resulting in 74% available free drug. Moving with the bloodstream, ZACTRAN reaches the lungs in just 30 minutes. Its two ionizable nitrogens allow it to build up in low pH regions where defensive macrophage and neutrophil cells reside. ZACTRAN travels with these cells to the site of BRD infection, the pulmonary epithelial lining fluid, or PELF. Once there, the defensive cells engulf the bacteria and ZACTRAN attacks it. ZACTRAN exhibits both bacteriostatic and bactericidal effects. ZACTRAN concentration in the lung rapidly rises above the minimum inhibitory concentration, MIC 90, within 30 minutes and peaks in just 12 hours. Once in the lung, its ionic charge keeps it from moving back across the membrane. This keeps ZACTRAN concentration levels in the lung above MIC 90 for 10 days from a single subcutaneous injection. In control studies, ZACTRAN significantly reduced morbidity in cattle stressed by shipping, processing, and commingling in a feedlot situation. Where BRD is diagnosed, ZACTRAN can also be used for treatment. In field trials, clinically ill cattle given ZACTRAN showed a significant improvement within 24 hours, including fever reduction. And most cattle stayed healthy for the full 10-day study. ZACTRAN is in the same drug class as Draxxin and Micotil. Data shows that ZACTRAN and Draxxin are comparable for control of BRD. Exactly right for your client's operations. With its economical pricing, ZACTRAN is not only effective, it's also affordable. ZACTRAN is priced comparably to Micotil, and when compared to Draxxin, ZACTRAN will save your clients $7 per dose and can provide your clinic $147 in profit per 500 milliliter bottle, which will provide 50 550-pound treatments. With a single, easy-to-give dose lasting 10 days, that can mean fewer retreatments and an even healthier return on investment for your clients. ZACTRAN is indicated for the treatment of BRD associated with Mannheimia hemolytica, Pasteurella multacida, Histophilus somni, and Mycoplasma bovis, and for the control of respiratory disease in beef and non-lactating dairy cattle at risk of developing BRD associated with Mannheimia hemolytica and Pasteurella multacida. These are the most common agents responsible for BRD. Occasionally, other bacteria or strains may be the cause. Merial offers the support of Newport Laboratories to help you pinpoint the source of the infection and develop a customized vaccine solution targeting the needs of your entire region or just a single herd. 24-hour response and 10-day control in one easy and economical injection. ZACTRAN, exactly right to help your clients' cattle reach their full potential. Talk to your Merial sales representative. Visit ZACTRAN.com for prescribing information or call 1-888-637-4251 to learn more. For use in cattle only, do not treat cattle within 35 days of slaughter. Because a discard time in milk has not been established, do not use in female dairy cattle 20 months of age or older or in calves to be processed for veal. The effects of ZACTRAN on bovine reproductive performance, pregnancy, and lactation have not been determined.